How to change your profile picture on Indrive. So the process is going to be the same depending if you are a driver or passenger. You go ahead to the top left corner, this hamburger icon. You go to the top section, which is going to be technically this account thing. You go to the top right, which is your current profile, and then you will have either a refresh symbol or this little pencil symbol. It's going to be right here. So you can see it's flashing. We're pressing it right now. You go ahead and you click on that, and then you just go ahead and press on open camera. Now you could take a selfie, fill it with your face, but you will have the gallery option here in the bottom left corner. You just go ahead and press on that and then choose your image you want your profile to be. And then once you've chosen your image, you can go ahead and size it to whichever you want to be inside your profile, and then just press on the crop button in the top right corner, and then you press on submit. But that's pretty much how you can change your profile picture on Indrive. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.